In this video, I will cover the setup sheet, tool settings, and stock setup for tutorial number 6. The setup sheet shows the 7 tools that will be used to cut the part. The first tool is an OD roughing tool with an 80-degree angle. This tool will be used to face and rough the part. The second tool is an OD finish right 35-degree tool. This tool will be used to finish the part. The third tool is an OD groove center narrow tool. This tool will be used to remove the material in the relief groove prior to cutting the threads. The fourth tool will be the OD thread right tool, which will be used to cut the threads. The fifth tool will be a 1/2 inch center drill. The sixth tool will be an OD groove center medium tool, used to cut the 2 grooves to the left side of the part. The last tool will be an OD cutoff right tool. This will be used to cut the part off from the bar stock. The first thing we need to do is select a machine definition. To select this definition, choose Machine Type, Lathe, Default. You should be able to see the default machine definition in the Operations Manager. If you cannot see the Operations Manager, press Alt-O on your keyboard to see it. Select plus next to Properties and pick Tool Settings from the expanded list. Input a program number of 6 and enable Assign Tool Number Sequentially and Warn of Duplicate Tool Numbers. From here, select the Stock Setup tab. Under Stock, ensure that left spindle is selected and click on Properties. Under Geometry, ensure Cylinder is selected and then input the stock dimensions as shown. OD equals 1.5 with a length of 24. Also, enable the margins. Input an OD margin value of 0, a right margin value of 0.1, and a left margin value of 2. Then select the OK button to exit the stock setup page. Under Chuck Jaws, ensure left spindle is selected and pick Properties. Select the clamping method OD number 1 and disable From Stock. We will define where we want the jaws to clamp our part. Input under User Defined Position a diameter of 1.5 and a Z value of -3.125. Now select the OK button to exit the Chuck Jaws dialog box. In the tailstock center area, choose the Properties button. Now we will define the tailstock. Input a center diameter of 1.25, a center length of 1.25, and a point angle of 60 degrees. Also, set the position along axis to 30. Now select the Preview Lathe Boundaries button and ensure the part setup appears as shown. Press Enter to continue. Now select the OK button to exit the center dialog box. From here, enable Fit Screen to Boundaries in the Display Options area. Then select the OK button to exit Machine Group Properties. Your stock and jaws will appear as shown. In the next video, I will cover the parameters found to face, rough, and finish the part up to the jaws.